Guys, in this video I will show you how you can install custom maps for BeamNG Drive. So first of all, go to modland.net, go to BeamNG Drive, then select maps, and then find the map that you want to have it. So for example, let's select downhill. Then you just need to download it. Just as you can see here, press on the download link here and download it. Wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Press on generate link and then press on download link. Then press download again. Save it to your computer. Once you got the mode, go to Steam, then go to BeamNG Drive, Properties, Install Files, Browse. Then you need to just go to a Content, then go to Levels, and then drag and drop that particular map here. Then launch the game. And then if I go on free roam, as you can see here, the map is here and I can spawn it there. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.